Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to order Wise Debit Card. It's very simple tips and tricks, and you can use this Wise card in 150 plus country as a purchase something or transfer something, or you can buy anything using this debit card. And this debit card is a contactless, so no need to always put it in this transaction machine. You just simply touch on any kind of device and transaction is happen within a second. So how to order, we will see detailed demonstration on my laptop screen. Now let's start as a demonstration. So simply open here Google and just type here Wise. Click here. You need to enter your account first of all. This is my account information, and if you have no idea how to create account, I already make a simple video how to create a Wise account. The video link is available on video description. After that, you just simply see here all information. Your card related informations are available here. I have two cards. One is a physical card, that means this one, and one is a digital card. Order first time, so you just simply click here card section. After that, here order card. Here order card, get eco debit card for 33 Danish krona. You need to pay 33 Danish krona and order such kind of Wise debit card. Get your eco card and just you need to put it here some of the information. Things left, you enter your card delivery address, set up your PIN and pay card related information. Continue. Here you need to put it here address. So how many location they are sending this debit card, so country's name is available here. If your country name is available on this address, so definitely you are receiving this debit card on this country. So I just simply say here I am living in Denmark, but still I am saying here okay, India also available here. So you can select the Indian address or any other country address. So I just simply select here Denmark address like this. Continue. So look at this here, choice of delivery type. Two types of delivery dates are available here. 17th of June is a free. If you need 7th of June, you need to pay 120 Danish krona. But if you go with as a free point of view 17th of June, so definitely you receive the card like a 10th of June because of my experience. Continue. So which types of name you want add the card. So I select here Sangram Singh. Look at this here. My name here in this card, Sangram Singh Kaite, or father name or this name. Choice up to you. You just simply select and continue. After that, set the PIN of this particular card here. So I just simply select here PIN, then re-PIN, continue. After that, the payment section is coming here. So look at this here, payment section, pay now or choose another way to pay. So here card style 15 krona and card production 28 krona. You pay 43 krona, and then after you receive the card within 2 weeks, after that you can receive such kind of card. It's very simple process to order Wise card. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.